Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to check GPU usage in Windows 11 so you can monitor your system performance. Let's begin step by step. First, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. From the menu, click on Task Manager. Now go to the Performance tab at the top. On the left side, you will see different components such as CPU, memory, disk, and GPU. Click on GPU. Here you can see detailed information such as percentage of GPU usage, usage of dedicated memory, shared memory, and sometimes temperature. Now, if you want to check which application is using your GPU, go to the Processes tab. Look for the column named GPU. This column shows how much GPU each program is using. If you don't see the GPU column, right-click on the column header and enable it. This is very useful for identifying heavy applications like games or video editors. And that's how you check GPU usage in Windows 11.